Your joints love regular movement. So does your heart. So do your muscles. And I don't know about you, but my mood depends on it. Let's go. 10 minutes, light, low impact movement. Really wake up our bodies, elevate our moods, and continue to build great mobility and strength. Just circle the arms. Start to connect to the breath. A big inhale, a big exhale. Sway the lower body. Oh, feel the energy beginning to flow through your entire body. Okay, now let's bend to the side. Big bend, arms up high. We're building some strength in the upper body. Getting some great mobility in our back. You can start to come up onto the ball of your foot. So a little tippy toe. We're starting to build some balance today. Stretching out the side body. Head up high. You can start to bring your foot off the ground if you want. If you want to start to practice some balance. Sometimes first thing it's not there. You decide you're going to modify every movement. As always, suit your needs. Okay, woohoo, shake it out a little bit. Similar arm circle. Bring the knee up and step to the side. Let's really wake up the legs, building incredible flexibility in the groin area. So nice big circle. Arms come up high, leg comes up as high as possible. Balance here. This could be tricky. Just do what works for you. Enjoy the ride. There we go. Endorphins released. Okay, we can do that every day. Movement should bring us joy. Oh, yeah, get that leg up a little bit high. Really feel it in the groin. Building some coordination here too, a little mental dexterity. Oh, one more. Okay, wonderful. Let's get the leg strength going. Bring the feet in a little closer together. We're gonna come down, close your body up, round the back into prayer posture and rise up. Open up the chest, look to the sky, and flow here. This is going to continue to give us incredible back health. Just nice and easy, slow and steady. We wake up the body. We build some heat so that we can move through our day. So that we can move more through our day, move with ease and strength, pain-free. Close up as much as you can. Bring the arms all the way in. Feel your shoulders coming together and rise up. Maybe you sink a little bit deeper. Bend the back a little bit. Look up to the sky, the ceiling. Feel that mobility you're generating in your neck. Shoulder blades coming together. Okay, yes. Maybe just the last few with just a little bit of pace. Let's get the heart rate up. Continuing to build stamina. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, out, in, out. One last one. Hold it there for a moment. Oh, just shake the arms. Sort of wring the arms out. Up on the balls of your feet, twisting your arms, sort of like you were wringing a towel. Oh, a little bit of dance move here. Oh, this is where we can really build some joy. Let's go for a dance while we build this amazing mobility. Prayer posture. You can send out some gratitude. Thank you for this day. I am so grateful. Bend down and twist to the side. Twist to the other side. Twist over. Rise up. Hold it for a moment there in prayer. And bend again. Just hinge at the hips, trying to get to flat back. Really breathe into this movement. See if you can't twist just a little bit further. Bring a little bit more presence into the movement. Oh yeah. Rise up. Oh yes. Thank you for this day. This is my day. I'm not going to let anyone ruin it. I'm not going to let anything outside of me affect what's going on the inside. I'm the only one in there. I get to decide. Let's go. Twist. Breathe. Come on up. Let's get ready to go one more time. Oh, maybe we can get down just a little bit. Bend the knees as generously as you need. Can we get to that flat back now? Oh, this could be a challenge. Notice the difference between pain and a little discomfort. Can we work through the discomfort? If it's pain, stop what you're doing as always. Whew. Shake it out. Shake it out. Okay, just real quickly, we're gonna work on a couple things here. We're gonna step back onto the top of our foot. Let's keep building that great ankle mobility. So just push down on the top of your foot, feel it through your ankle, but I wanna bring my arms back as well in sort of a jerking kind of motion where you feel that in your triceps. Feel the muscle. I just did that one, that's okay. Head up and really push the arm back. Feel that strength in your tricep and in the ankle. We want to keep our brains working as well. Doing some difficult things. This is maybe a bit of a challenge. Great. I'm grateful for the challenge. Just a couple more here. You can engage your core here as well. A real full body movement, ankle mobility, tricep strength, mental acuity. Okay. Okay. Really far apart with the legs. Much more than shoulder width. Side lunge. And I want to reach up to the sky. Great mobility, flexibility in the legs. That mobility we're generating in our shoulders and upper back as well. If you look up in the neck also, and just find a little flow that works for you here. And enjoy the ride. Yeah. Ooh, one more to each side. Oh, can you feel that? As well can I. Okay. Okay. Let's move laterally. If you don't have a lot of space, you can do this move. Let's continue to keep our heart rate up. I have a little bit more space, so I'm gonna shuffle a little further. I'm also gonna reach down. You just reach as far as you can. Can you get to the floor? Beautiful. Oh, now this is nice. Just a little side skip, real playful for the movement, with the movement. And again, you just do what works for you. This could be just like this. How awesome, but maybe with a little bit more pace, get that heart rate up. I'm gonna skip. Yes, because that skip just makes me feel good. endorphins are definitely released. Couple more here. Okay, and yes. Oh, I'll tie my shoe. You just chill. Okay, let's see where we're at. Let's finish where we began. Circle the arms up overhead. Connect to the breath. Heart rate up a little bit. Wonderful. See what happens. When you focus on your breathing, how much more quickly you recover. So here's sort of a good indicator where we're at. Do you feel more mobile? Do you feel a little bit stronger? Have we gotten 1% better? Good indicator if these sessions are working for you. But let's bring a little bit of balance into this as well. And if you'd like, you could close your eyes. Ooh, wow, does that ever make it challenging? Amazing. And just hold for a split second. Got to engage your core. Whoa. Really stretch it to the side too. Get an extra deep side bend. Oh, hopefully the body is really feeling alive. We've woken it up. We are incredibly mobile now. And we are going to have the most glorious day. All right. Last one. Yes, yes, yes. This works. Movement is awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Let's take just a moment. Connect to your breath. Just for a split second. Really does make a big difference. You know, you climb some stairs, you do something, get your heart rate up, and then you, rather than just know. Focused breathing. Calm everything down. Allow you to get on with things so much more quickly. That one breath is always accessible. Breathe in and out. One conscious breath all together. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Hold it at the top there. Hold it for a moment. And exhale. Go have an amazing day. I am so grateful that you keep showing up. Truly. I will see you tomorrow, and let's do it all again. Goodbye. Thank you.